Victoria University Sydney campus provides postgraduate students who had enrolled in the Business Analytics course SAP Lumira, a part of the SAP Business Suite, as a final assignment to research and analyze on the issue of domestic violence in Australia and communicate their findings effectively through data visualization. This report is written by Maxine and Sen. This analysis allows an illustrative view of domestic violence incited in Australia and its causes, statistical distribution, systematic responses, and much more can be derived thanks to SAP Lumira. Domestic violence encompasses all forms of physical, sexual, or psychological violence between adult persons, but also against animals or property in a domestic community, without consideration for a specific legal relationship, sexual orientation, or sexual orientation age. The psychological and health consequences of violence are manifold and can occur in the short, medium, and large term. This work visualizes following situations: incidents, assault gender, sexual assault, abduction by gender by age group, homicide and related offenses, domestic violence, related assault in New South Wales. First of all, according to the Recorder of Australian Bureau of Statistics, in the period 2014 to 2015, New South Wales, Western Australia, and South Australia had the most violent incidents respectively. Australian capital had the lowest violent incidents. The reason for that could be used in other states to reduce their violence count. Secondly, there were not published information about assault males and females in Victoria and Queensland. It is clear that New South Wales has the most assault by gender, followed by Western Australia and South Australia, while the total assaults related to females always greater than males, at least double in New South Wales and nearly fourfold in the other states except Victoria and Queensland. Move to the next chart. New South Wales has the highest sexual assault, while Tasmania has the lowest. The years 0 to 9 also has the highest sexual assault number in each state. The number of sexual assaults were gone down by the increasing years. As is shown in the column chart, the years 20 to 34 has the highest number of abductions in both males and females, while the group 55 years and over has the minimum number of kidnapping. Both New South Wales and Queensland has the same number of offences by residential in 2014, while there were no published data for Tasmania, North Territory and Australian Capital. Similarly, in 2015, only Australian Capital showed the figure of offences. In 2015, there was a decline in the total of decline in related offences in New South Wales, Victoria and Queensland, while South Australia as well as Western Australia saw an upward trend in the figure. Finally, the number of incidents related assault in New South Wales were in general the courses remained between 2012 with 38.3% to March 2017 with 37.97% constant. In general, we can conclude that all around Australia, domestic violence is happening. New South Wales has the highest count, and in particular, there are more females affected. UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon has called on people around the world to take a determined approach to a culture of discrimination. On the occasion of the International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women 25 of November, Ban stated that all governments must abide by their communities to end violence against women and girls worldwide. This kind of data visualization and analysis can help the whole world to have a clear view, to be able to act systematic and useful. Thanks for watching this video.